Mr. Chuks Obibueze, are you there, sir?
Yes, Mr. Elvis.
Thank you, sir. Good evening
Yeah,
to
good
you.
evening, Mr. Elvis.
Yes,
Good
sir.
evening, fellow panelists. Good evening, everybody listening to us. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need to get far and wide. Yeah, Nigeria is a laughing stock, and these people every day they continue to make Nigeria a laughing stock in the eyes of the world, and they are not ashamed about it. It doesn't concern them. Everything about them is mafiaism. Everything about them is agboroism. Everything about them is just grab it, snatch it, and run away with it, fighting dirty. That's exactly what they are doing, and that is the reason why they don't have answer to what is going on in Nigeria, especially the economy. Look at how much naira is to a dollar, gradually becoming worthless, completely worthless. Look, these people who are doing this, they think it's a joke. It's not a joke. It's way, way more than a joke. For this young man to come and stand on the national television, well, I don't even want to talk much about him. If he says it's a treason, let him go and touch Obi. I think he will help, you know, make the process faster. Hence, he doesn't want to wait for the court. Our principal came out as a Nigerian and spoke his mind without insulting anybody, without crossing any kind of line. And you're saying his talk is treasonable. Okay, go ahead and do what you want to do for somebody who have committed treason. I think you want to help with the obedience and Nigerians indeed fasten up the process. Because for you to even come there and say that, and they didn't stop you from saying such, but the one who wants to say something, like I think it's Mr. Edwin that says PDP, or I've forgotten who have said that, that PDP have opportunity to do the right thing, but they forgot to do the right thing, and now it's coming after them, and it will soon come after APC and everybody that is involved in this. But that way, it will be done the right way. It will not be done in this way. It will be done in the right way. If anybody have erred, the person got to take the punishment. Enough of all this nonsense. There's really give us our mandate. I bet
Thank you, sir.
to disagree with you on that one by you saying that we have democracy. We don't have democracy. All the elements of democracy is missing. Democracy is not constitution, and even that constitution is still the same constitution that have thrown everybody off balance. The same constitution and the same lawmakers. If at all those institutions, we think all those institutions are the democracy we're talking about. What are we even not talking about? I've said this repeatedly here in the past few days. I am not hoping for Supreme Court to make any magic. I'm just being realistic. It's hard, it's painful to say, but I'm just being realistic. There's no magic the Supreme Court will make if the lawmakers themselves, through the 2022 amendment, electoral amendment, says that if you do not belong to this political party, even though you participated in the same election, you cannot challenge it. Did we not see their confidence? Their confidence says it all. It is why they have this confidence. I challenge everybody to go and read that. You will understand why these people have this kind of confidence. Because they've set everything to go by. It doesn't matter what evidence you bring. That is exactly what they are telling you and I. If they remove the power of people to challenge that and giving it to the same party, can we not see the handwriting on the wall? We now see it because of the problem. Before now, no, we didn't. Because we concentrated on the electoral, what is it called? The electoral gadgets. I mean, the internet system, how they're gonna upload, how they're gonna use the not smart card, the beavers and all that. We concentrated on that. And these people went ahead and beat us. That is exactly why you see them come out to make all these bold statements. Nothing more. Forgetting the fact that the people are the ones who gave them the power to make that law. Now the likes of Abati will tell you, leave it to the court of law because you don't matter. It doesn't matter to them. That's why they can tell you, forget about it, let's take it to the law court. And even what is it called? Abati is telling us, oh, leave it to the law court. It's the last hope of a common man. Really? The last hope of a common man. And you talk about technicalities rather than justice. We see you. We see you. That is the game. We know the game. Mr. Abati is there playing his own part of the game, including telling them, making us aware that they're going to shut down the internet. They're going to control the media. I'm not sorry for the media because they're getting what they deserve. That is why somebody will come to say it, his own opinion, not your own opinion. And you are shutting him out. It is very, very regretful. Very, very regretful. And I'm calling up on Nigerians, do not wait. I still remember the words of Dr. Haruna yesterday. It is real. If you fold our hands, this rain is going to beat us. We better get up and do the right thing. We need to take back this country. We can see it now. For me, I don't have no elder right now. Because if the people I'm looking up to, calling them elder, can stand in our faces and lie and tell us what we can see is not what we are seeing. And that's why they always use what the elders sat down to see. We cannot see it. We have seen it. We see how you sit down and see things. So, brothers and sisters, we need to fight hard. It is no more a joke. The young ones are attacking us. The old ones are attacking us. There's no place for us. And if we realize there is no place for us, we will fight for a place. Thank you, Mr. Obvious. I yield here. Can anyone hear me?
All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chuks Obibueze. God bless you, sir. Thank you very much.